Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix slow performance issue after update. Go to search menu. Let's fix this guys. Go to search menu and type services. VICES services. Open on it. In services you need to go uh, background intelligence transfer services. Background I'm typing B. Background intelligence transfer service. Double click on it and you need to stop that. After stopping it, press OK, and you need to search for Windows Update properties. You need to click this up and type in keyboard W Windows Update. You need to search on it. Windows Update, here is Windows Update. Double click on it and you need to stop it and press OK and cut this guys and go to start menu and type CMD. In CMD you need to run as administrator. Yes. In CMD you need to check my description video. I will give you command used in this video. Copy this and tap that bar and eject, paste it, press enter guys, and copy this second command also. Copy and tap this bar, right click, eject, paste it, press enter guys. The system cannot find the file specified. This is problem for me, not for you guys. Okay, and I'm canceling this. Close it and go to search menu and type troubleshooter settings. In troubleshooter settings you need to go on additional troubleshooters. In additional troubleshooter you need to Windows Update, you need to click on it and run the troubleshooters. If you had any problems over here, it will be shown here. I have no problem, that's why I'm closing the troubleshooter. And another I recommend you to go to Windows Update and check for updates. If you have any updates is there, you must be update it. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this tutorial helped for you. Thanks for watching my video. Thumbs up guys. Thank you.